this. You're out on the water, sun shining, wind in your hair, and you're cruising in your very own boat. For many people, that's the dream. But here's the reality. Unless you can pay cash up front, you'll need a boat loan to make that dream come true. And choosing the right financing can make the difference between smooth sailing or choppy waters. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best boat loans in the USA. Whether you're planning to buy your very first boat, upgrading to something bigger, or refinancing your current loan, I've done the research so you don't have to. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share some pro tips to improve your chances of getting approved and saving money on interest. Check out the exclusive links in the description below. Before we jump into the top lenders, let's quickly cover the basics. A boat loan is simply financing you use to purchase a boat, and it works a lot like an auto loan or mortgage. Loan terms typically range from 2 years up to 20 years, depending on the lender and the size of the loan. Interest rates usually start around 6 to 7% for strong credit borrowers, but they can go higher if your credit isn't great. You'll usually need a down payment, often 10 to 20%, and lenders will look at your credit score, income, debt-to-income ratio, and even the boat itself before approving you. So keep in mind, the stronger your finances, the better your terms. Here are the top 5 best boat loans in the USA. Start with Southeast Financial is a standout if you want maximum flexibility. They offer loans from $10,000 all the way up to $4 million, with repayment terms stretching as long as 20 years and rates starting at about 6.99%. What makes them attractive is that they're willing to work with borrowers who have credit scores as low as 575, which opens the door for many people. The downside, though, is that these loans are strictly for personal use, not commercial purposes, and they don't clearly list their fees on the website. This option is perfect for buyers who want low monthly payments over a long period of time. For example, financing a $50,000 boat over 20 years at 6.99% could bring your payments down to around $390 a month. Check out the exclusive links in the description below. Next up is Lightstream, an online lender that's part of Truist Bank. If speed is your priority, this lender really shines. They provide loans from $5,000 up to $100,000 with terms as long as 20 years, and interest rates starting at around 6.94% with auto pay. Lightstream is especially attractive because they don't charge origination fees or penalties if you pay off early, and in many cases, you can get your money the very same day. The catch is that you'll need strong credit and several years of borrowing history, which means it isn't the best fit for everyone. Lightstream is best for buyers who have good credit, want a hassle-free experience, and may need quick access to funds. Not everyone has excellent credit, and that's where One Main Financial comes in. They offer loans ranging from $1,500 to $20,000, with interest rates between 18 and 35.99% and repayment terms of 2 to 5 years. The biggest advantage here is that One Main is flexible with credit requirements, which gives borrowers with fair or even poor credit a shot at financing. They also allow you to pre-qualify with just a soft credit check, which won't hurt your score, and they don't charge prepayment penalties if you want to pay off your loan early. The drawback is that their interest rates are on the high side, and depending on your state, there may be steep origination fees. This loan is best for buyers who don't qualify for traditional financing but still want to purchase a smaller or used boat, say around $15,000. Sterling & Associates specializes in marine financing, making them a go-to choice if you're considering a used boat. They finance amounts from $15,000 to over $500,000, with terms up to 20 years and rates starting near 6.25%. One of their biggest strengths is that they're willing to fund loans for older boats, which can be tricky to finance elsewhere. They also offer refinancing and even provide guidance on boat insurance. The downside is that their fees and credit score requirements aren't very transparent, so you may have to dig deeper when applying. This option is best for buyers who want to finance a used boat or refinance an existing loan, especially when the boat might not qualify with other lenders. For more information, check out the exclusive links in the description below. Finally, we have Boatson, which is both an online boat marketplace and a financing provider. If you're shopping for something high-end, Boatson is hard to beat, offering loans up to $10 million with repayment terms up to 20 years. They also consider applicants across a wide range of credit scores and can sometimes approve loans the very same day. What makes Boatson appealing is that you can browse for boats and arrange financing in one place. However, just like some of the other lenders, they don't clearly outline fees or minimum credit score requirements. This loan is ideal for buyers looking to purchase a luxury or high-value boat, or for anyone who wants an all-in-one online shopping and financing experience. So, should you go with a bank, a credit union, or an online lender? Traditional banks and credit unions often have lower interest rates, but they usually have stricter requirements and a slower approval process. Online lenders like Lightstream or Boatson are much faster, more convenient, and often more flexible, though you might pay slightly higher rates. And then you've got specialty marine lenders like Southeast Financial and Sterling Associates, who understand the boating world inside and out, offering solutions that are tailored for boat buyers. Now, here are 3 quick tips to boost your chances of approval and lower your costs. First, check your credit score. Lenders typically give the best rates to borrowers with a score of 680 or higher. Second, try to save for a down payment, even if it's just 10 or 20%, because it shows the lender you're committed and reduces the loan balance. And third, keep your debt-to-income ratio as low as possible, because lenders want to see that you're not already stretched thin financially. Finally, always compare offers. Even a 1% difference in APR can save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. So there you have it, the top 5 best boat loans in the USA. Whether you're after lightning-fast funding, long repayment terms, or financing for a used or luxury boat, there's an option here to help you set sail without sinking your finances. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance and lifestyle tips, and drop a comment below. Tell me what boat you're planning to buy and how you're planning to finance it. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy boating.